this matter is strong, my people. Now, as I dey follow na talk, Mr. Olajide Adeniran don come outside and he don announce say in dey remove wetin be that man name, Sanwo Olu. In dey remove am for that seat where he sit down because he believe say he go be the best governor. And according to that right now, my people, him talk say since this, if dem vote for am. I never understand this thing. Another person won't come become Lagos governor. I need to say if they vote for him, saying go make the state favorable for everybody. Say everybody go get equal enjoyment. Because as Sanwo Olu they sit now, he say not be everybody they enjoy and not be everybody they benefit from this man's seat where he sit down there. So he won't come now as Lagos governor for 2023 election. So now the matter where I bring for now, my people, this man. No be say are they judge anybody or are they against anybody. As long as say if you enter seat, you understand, you go do things with your head straight. No be the one way you go enter seat, you go come dey misbehave. I be put Mr. Waiting they call him, Mr. Olajide picture. Make these people see what they talk about. Yeah, boss, you have spoken well. And I have heard everything you have said, but the thing now be say, as it stands now, we already get wahala with the one way they sit. And that's the way people they talk. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. In this case, the devil we know is better than the devil's father we don't know. Because I know not be from my mouth, I just they talk. Say we already get one. You understand? Make another bigger one no come, because that's what these people they do. See now, don't they promise say if everybody go enjoy? Now so they do promise heaven and earth. Before these people win, they promise everything where they their power. Now, when they enter that seat, now their true color go come outside. I beg, Oga, we know they vote for you. For now, we never know that the matter where this man don't they plan say he go enter seat for 2023. So as soon as they plan to they vote for new governor of Lagos State, make una know say person already gate they hit oh. He don't they get oh. So I not to say me they don't vote for them, and I not to say me they vote for them, because all these people you don't know their intention until they enter that place. So this one feel just they promise everything now before you know it. Now another matter we go they talk. So I beg, if una know say una won't vote for Lagos governor, think am 2 times. I don't even know who come good again. How we go know person way good, person way bad now? Now my question. How we won't know? Because now everybody just disguise. Angels outside. By the time you open and see, oh, Nigeria need prayer. Forget that thing where people they talk, they joke. Nigeria need prayer, because 2023 for una way no. If better change no take place, now they say this matter where we dey tackle like this, we go restart them again. So make una think am. You understand? Nigeria. Amara, una sabi lie. Now so I dey sure say when they bring this country Nigeria, it be like say they just throw lies inside, because now everything where they related to Nigeria na lie. Imagine this case where happen now. Police shoot person, newspaper vendor. He can't deny saying no shoot am. Meanwhile, in your guy himself don't come outside and testify. Say yes, they shoot. I bet who will they believe again? Who will they follow again? Because hey, my people, even me where they bring una these gist, I don't confuse. Imagine the Mr. Femi, yes, his name na Femi. Mr. Femi, I dey very sure say all of una know him. Na him be that. Him don't come outside, come talk say yes. Say some people they disturb in convoy as they pass. So now one of him police person, because they shoot gun for air, they throw bullets, you know, to scare them away. But as it happen like that now, newspaper vendor way they on your own. So the bullet can't hit that one. Bah. Now they can't wahala conde. The police will shoot. Can't talk say no, you no shoot am. Why una life just dey? I no even blame una. Una no fit agree before. Una don't see police where they agree. They will never agree. I know they surprised. If una feel lie for Lekki target, where even camera dey, where people even video. This one wey camera no dey, na una no go lie. I no dey surprise. I no dey any surprise at all. Now police say they no shoot. This one say they shoot. Oh, Nigeria politicians. Life factory. Una get life factory. Una get place where they manufacture lie. Any small thing. No, it's not me. It's not who can they do am? Na ghost. No, Nigeria now. Nigeria don't get ghosts where they operate for una. Oh, judgment they come. I don't know if una don't notice this thing. Any of my video where they talk about politicians, they mention judgment they come. And una way wise, politicians way as una they watch me. If you wise, you go change. If you wise, you go change. If you like, no change. Now here I go still they bring your matter. Use your head. Anyhow, my people, now here we dey for Aproko Show. No time, and don't forget, drop that comment there. I want to know what you think for this matter. This police now, where they talk say you shoot this man. What do you think? They supposed to arrest him, abi they supposed leave him?